Okay, here's a walk around of this 2023 high roof all-wheel drive Transit with an EcoBoost. This van we all love a lot. Man, it's got the Avalanche Gray color. It's a full window van, so there's a lot of visibility in the back. It's got a Quigley Q lift, and then the Toyo 265 sized AT3 tires. Just is awesome. We think it looks super sweet, drives amazing. And yeah, here's a quick walk around. So on this side, you can see we've got full windows. So there's great visibility, both while you're driving and while you're sleeping. It's our rigid porch light that we put on a dimmable switch. We powder coated the wheels black and then used the 265/70/16 tire size for the Toyo Open Countries. So it's about a 32, maybe 32.5-inch tire. There's quite a bit of trimming we have to do on each side, but at full articulation, it still does not rub. So it's pretty sweet. Front end, all factory. We spec all of our vans we order from Ford with the HID lights and then the factory fog lights as well. It's got the nice honeycomb grille. On this side, pretty straightforward. The only real thing to note is where our heater comes out. And then 2 exterior locations for shore power hookup and portable solar. Like all our vans, we pre-wire everything for both portable solar in that location, but also for rooftop solar. And then going up top, we've got 2 Zamp 95 watt up top. Let's see if we can zoom in. Oh yeah. So that's a flatline rack, 2 Max Air 7500K fans, and then 2 Zamp Solar 95 watt legacy panels. And if you can see right here up front, they tuck behind the flatline fairing perfectly, so there's minimal wind noise. All right, let's go do the inside. In bamboo, so really pretty and bright. Up front, we have 2 Ford factory swivel seats. We have our B-pillar mount right here for the Lagoon table, which stows right here in the back, and then mounts right here. So with the seats swiveled, you not only have more table space on the inside, but you also have a tray that can move inside and outside of the van. All right, the cabinets. This is a Indel B truck fridge. We've used these for going on 6 years now. They've been flawless. It's an amazing fridge. Again, wrapped in bamboo, top and bottom. We use these Southco locking compression latches, so there's no rattling or anything while you're driving. And if you're parked somewhere and you got valuables, you can lock all of these. So this is pretty much a vault. It's going to take some serious tools and time to get into this cabinet. So you kind of have really good security as well. Underneath here, underneath the sink, we've got our 2 portable Scepter water tanks. And this customer also opted for additional 2, so he's got a total of 20 gallons of water. A Rivati sink with all the standard trimmings, strainer. Bamboo countertop. We powder coated all of the aluminum trim black. There are the windows in the back. Looking super nice. All right, our jackknife sofa bed goes full flat, 6'4" long, 52 inches wide. Here's our control panel. We're still using RedArc. We'll probably stay with them forever because they're bomb-proof and they're really easy to use as far as the interface is. Expandable as well. Water pump location, 12 volt and USB locations as well. Down here, we've got our heater port right here. This is our AC power breaker for AC power when you're hooked up to shore power, or you can opt for an inverter as well. Safety, we've got a propane and a carbon monoxide monitor. And this is our heater controller. We call this our pantry, and it's just a lifting lid that has a nice spot for dry goods. Soft close. Additional storage here in the back, 2 cubbies. And going up to the upper cabinet, we have 1 and 2 lifting areas right there for the upper cabinet. Again, everything we do is framed in aluminum extrusion first. so it's wicked strong. And then we wrap everything in the finish of your choice, whether it's a laminated Baltic birch or a bamboo, is up to you. Bamboo ceiling, max fan, lunacy lights that are also dimmable and touch controllable at the source. Ooh, nice. Van-made gear, window coverings all the way around. So all of these get the insulated van-made gear window coverings. Are super nice. Up top, we got our bunk panel system, and then we've got Roam Rest cushions wrapped in marathon fabric with anti-slip, abrasion-resistant material on the bottom. And that about does it. It's a great van. We love this thing. We know that the customer is going to have a lot of fun with his family and see lots of adventures. Oh, here's one last thing. This is the location for the dimmable exterior porch light. And that's it. If you guys got any questions, give us a holler at accessvehicles.com or shout at us on the website or YouTube or Instagram, whatever we do. Either way, thanks for watching.